Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you will be doing well. Today we are going to start our lesson with comprehension number 5. This is the solved comprehension of your textbook. So let's get started with the reading first, then we'll read the questions and answers. For 3 months the master and all his relatives lived in this valley. इस वादी में 3 सालों से मास्टर और उसके रिश्तेदार रह रहे थे. Many of the Muslims also joined them. All supplies to the valley were cut off. यानी उस वैली तक पहुंचाई जाने वाली सारी चीज़ें ख़त्म कर दी गई थीं. The Makkans saw it to that. मक्का के रहने वालों ने इसको देखा. And no food to drink reached the Banu Hashim. उन्होंने ये देखा कि ना पानी पीने के लिए और ना खाने के लिए बनु हाशिम तक पहुंचाया जाता है. The poor Banu Hashim had to live on the leaves and roots of trees and bushes. और उन्हें पत्तों और झाड़ियाँ खाकर अपना गुजारा करना पड़ता है. The condition of the children was particularly pitiable. जो बच्चों की सूरत हाल थी वो ख़ास तौर पे बहुत ही काबिल तर्स थी. At last some kind-hearted Makkans took pity on the Banu Hashim. कुछ नेक दिल मक्का के रहने वाले लोगों ने बनु हाशिम के ऊपर तरस खाया. They tore to pieces the agreement hanging in the Kaaba. कि काबा पे जो अहद था या मुआहिदा था उसको फाड़ कर टुकड़े टुकड़े कर दिया. The hunger stricken Banu Hashim were thus able to come back to their homes. और जो भूख बनु हाशिम में के लोगों को खाई जा रही थी जिसकी वजह से वो बंद हुए हुए थे वो अब वापस अपने घरों को जा रहे थे. Now let's read to the questions. Who lived for 3 years in the valley? The master and all his relatives lived in the valley. Who joined the master and his relatives? Many of the Muslims joined them. What did the Makkans do? Makkans cut off the supplies of food and drink to the Banu Hashim. How did the Banu Hashim live? They lived on the leaves and roots of trees. What was the condition of the children? The condition of the children was pitiable. Who took pity on the Banu Hashim? Some kind-hearted Makkan leaders took pity on them. Now dear students, you can easily see that how the answers of the questions are being given. There is no extra detail and there is no less detail. The answer is quite right to the questions and right to the context. So that is it for today dear students. Take care of yourselves and Allah Hafiz.